Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 11 May 2018, 19 of hour, 03 of minute and 33 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what drives deep ocean currents? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what drives deep ocean currents. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what drives deep ocean currents. Winds drive ocean currents in the upper 100 meters of the ocean surface. These deep ocean currents are driven by differences in the water's density, which is controlled by temperature, thermo, and salinity, Halon. This process is known as thermo-Halon circulation. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself, so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.